Hi students, welcome to our Vidya classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about head to toe. Okay, let's start. So in everyday life, students, we will feel hungry. Then when we will feel hungry, we will go to take food. Okay, and we will have our dinner, lunch, breakfast. Because when we will feel hungry, we need food. So which type of food we need, why we are feeling hungry, that today we will discuss about these things, and why we need food and what it will give to our body. Okay, so these all things we will discuss. So let's start. Whenever our body needs food, we tend to feel hungry. Okay, when our body needs to food, then we feel hungry. Eating food drives away the hunger. This is true for animals and us. Okay, not only the human beings or you and me, all the living things, they need food. Okay, all the living things that means plants and animals and human beings also. Okay, plants prepare their own food in the form of sugar. Plants prepare their own food in the form of sugar. Do they prepare food only when they are hungry? Do plants feel hungry? When they will feel hungry, at the time they will need to prepare the food, or whether they always continuously they will prepare food. So we will discuss. Okay, our bodies need important substance called nutrients, which we get from the food we eat and drink. Okay, whatever food we will eat day to day life, and whatever the drinks, water, meals we will drink, that everything will get nutrients from these foods and drinks. Okay, from through these nutrients help us to grow, help the body to repair the damage, and cells provide energy which we need to live, be active. Okay, why we take food, how we are pouring petrol in vehicles, for that because of petrol the vehicles can move, vehicles can go. Okay, vehicles can run. So for exactly same, if we put food inside our mouth or stomach, then we can walk, we can talk, we can do different activities. So this is called our nutrition, and nutrients help us to grow and help to body repair, which is damaged part, and provide energy which we need to live and active. It is important that we have balanced diet, so we don't miss out any essential nutrition. Okay, we have to eat different kinds of foods and vegetables in different way, same kind, that is called balanced diet in every day. This means we must eat food from all groups, namely carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and fibers. So these are the group of the food we should take every day from same amount every day. Each group is essential for proper functioning of our body. To proper function of our body, we need this kind of foods every day. We are present as starch. Okay, we are carbohydrate. These are, see, you can see this the image. These image are different fruits and vegetables and snacks, cereals. So these are having carbohydrate. These are bread, banana, that is corn, rice, chocolate, potato, bread. So these are having cake, are having carbohydrate. We are present as starch in most foods. We provide you with instant energy you need to perform your daily activities. In carbohydrate, starch is there, they having proper energy and more energy. We are the fast food to digest. Your body breaks the starch into simpler sugar, which gives you the energy. We are known as energy supplier. Okay, that carbohydrate are the called energy supplier. It is the energy, energy, energy. Okay, eating too much of us will make you fat and lazy. Eating too little of us will make you feel tired, low on energy and irritated. So how much it is needed we should eat. We should not eat too much, we should not eat very low quantity. So in proper way we should eat in every day. So you can say this picture, students, the people who need more carbohydrate in their diet, what food would you suggest to them? Okay, so we can suggest bread, rice, potato, and this. Okay, picture you can see the boy is watching movie, and here is trolling a cart, and he is playing, and he is working, and he is using the laptop. Okay, students, take the people who need more carbohydrate in their diet. Who need? That person don't need because he is only sleeping and watching. That person need. Okay, we have to put tick. And that person also need because he is working hard. He is also working hard. They are not working hard. That picture and that picture, they are not working hard. They are only sitting watching TV, and here that person is using only laptops or computers. For that there is no need more carbohydrate. But here he is working, that person also playing, that person also working hard. So for them it is need carbohydrate. Clear, students? So now we will discuss about proteins. We help in building, maintaining, and preparing the cells which are the building blocks of your body. We help you to grow and stay strong. We are known as body builders. Okay, beans, meals, and grams, almonds, cheese, these are called proteins. Vegetarians, these are called proteins, and which have more rich protein. It will help to preparing and body building and repairing the cells. Okay, some proteins are made by the body, other need to be eaten in food. Okay, who do you think require more protein? Why? What food would you suggest to that person? Now we will come to fats. Okay, fats, you can see, students, non-vegetarian, fish, red fish, egg, fish, and chicken, these are having protein also. These are non-vegetarian. These are vegetarian, these are non-vegetarian. Okay, now we are come to fat. Okay, fat, we give twice as much energy as carbohydrate and protein. Okay, fat will give energy, more energy as compared to carbohydrate. We are storehouse of energy which are stored in your body as fat cells for future use. We also surrounded and protect the organs inside your body. Okay, it will protect, it will save our body organs. Clear? All of you need us. We are good if consumed in small quantity. Whatever fats are, you can say butter, cheese, ghee, oil, ghee, corn, samosa, cream, and almonds, grams, these are full of fats. If you eat, you will get more double protein. Okay, double energy compared to carbohydrate and protein. Understood, students? So eating too much will do you more harm than good. Okay, if you eat too much this kind of fat food, it is not good for our body. It will harm us. So we need little amount, which how much we need we have to take. Young children who are active can have more us, and we help in nurturing your brain, nervous system, and we also help you to stay warm. Okay, if you eat this kind of foods, then our brain will be sharp, nurturing our brain, and the brain power and nervous system will be active, and we will be stay always warm. Okay, students, clear? Now we will come to the food which is rich in fat. Okay, see, cheese, this and this, these are having fat. Rice don't have. Popcorn. Clear, students? So we cheese, this and fat, not this is carbohydrate, and fat anything, ghee,